Hello, good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. All right, so right off the bat, let's see here. Let's go to let's start with a fresh analysis. So we're going to start with a fresh analysis. We're going to go to the higher time frames. We're going to go to the daily. Let's see what daily is doing right now. Okay, so on the daily, we have this rejection zone right here, this level of resistance. And then looking here, we're coming down to this. We've broken this level of support. If we keep selling, we're going to come down to this level. Buying wise might be a little difficult today. Um, yeah, we definitely have a candle that broke below this, and we have this setting up. Okay, let's see what will happen. Let's see. Let's see. So, but because this is almost broken down, like, can I make this just my next zone? Is like my question that I'm asking myself here. Uh, Hard to say. Really hard to say. Um, we are breaking above this back into this range and just bought how many pips? We just bought 22 pips. Let's start with a fresh analysis on UJ as well. Higher time frames. Price bought above these zones, and it is still buying. We're looking like we're trying to get, like to this level here. Um, Resistance wise, I mean, if we come back into this zone, okay, let me zoom in and see what I can see as a resistance or as support. There's not much volume because the news is coming into play soon. Um, so there is news today. So there's going to be NFP today. Let's see here, USD 8:30 a.m. So might wait for that news. Might just do an intraday trade. I'm just looking around right now. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I don't really see much here at all right now. We broke above resistance. I mean, if we come down and create some level of support, then we might continue upwards. Or if I see some clear-cut candles close below here, then we might continue down. I mean, I'm probably going to look for sells down here to be on the safe side. Nothing really impulsive today. I mean, then again, we have news. Whenever there's news, I like to look for something really, really early. I doubt that price will come all the way over here before news and start dumping. It would start dumping from up here, but man, today's just gonna probably just be like a just sit and wait day for me. This trade setup looks really, really good. Um, this is like the same as yesterday though. I don't like it. Like created a high, created a level of support right here, and is now breaking that level of support. Broke it as well as is now coming down to break lows, right? So, I mean, I'm not gonna take any trades. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Even this setup is extremely difficult. Extremely difficult, but it's like the same setup, you know? High created, support, support broken, support created, support broken. Now we're breaking down. But to be honest, because of the news coming, NFP, it's gonna be really, really rough. Yeah, like extremely. So I'm not taking anything right now. I'm gonna wait. I am going to simply just wait it out. And on another note, while I'm just waiting, I'm probably just gonna go get some water soon. Actually, I have water right here, so I might as well just okay. Grab this water right here. Bear with me one moment. Yeah. On another note, I like to make a lot of notes whenever I lose or win trades, and I've been having losing trades, so I've correlated that with um, lack of actual like watching videos, which I used to do a lot. I've been doing a lot of simulator training, so I'm going back to watching a lot of videos um, of my of uh, of my trading style to see like how a pro trades it and look at like what to do, what not to do, um, how to avoid losses, how to cut losses short, um, winning setups, stuff like that, right? So, as well as I also wrote down that I need to start to like work on risk management. So, like if I lose 3 trades in the week, I call it for the week, and I look towards like how do you say demo trading, paper trading, just getting away from my real balance because I don't want to shoot my real balance. Like even I was thinking about it, regular deposits of $100, like every 2 weeks is fine, especially when you're starting small. When you're starting small, you want to like have some level of overall confidence. Um, and I feel like, when you're starting off small, it's for 2 reasons. You want to build your confidence and tell yourself that you can do it, as well as you don't want to lose a lot of money. Like you don't want to lose $1,000 or $2,000, which might be the possibility. So in that sense as well, you're going to want to take your habits that you're doing from the small account and bring them to the big account so it's as smooth. Um, so in that sense, when you're at a small account, if you're taking little losses in 2 weeks, you've lost $50, it's okay to deposit $100 to build your account. So you can still make quite decent trades, like quite decent sized trades. Um, catch nice moves. Like let's say if I was to hypothetically catch this to the bottom, 70 pips at like 20 lot, a 20 cent lot, it'd be $140, right? So that kind of stuff is what I mean. But aside from that, no, it's really that like just building confidence, sticking to your trading plan. Trading plan, you'll hear me talk about every single live session because it's literally that important. This looks like a good sell till about here. So for about 30 pips, that looks like a really, really good sell. Um, I want to see how price reacts to this level of support being broken. If we break this low, no, 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 no. Because what's going to happen with UJ specifically, it's going to look like it's going to start dumping. Maybe dump like 10 pips, something like that. And then we'll just consolidate right back in that range. Yeah. However, if there wasn't news today, especially in NFP, I'd say, hey, you know what? There was this level of support created. Um, price came to this level of support, and as you can see, broke this level of support. Price retraced, and I'm gonna get in right here as this low gets broken. So once you're in, you set your stop loss above this candle right here. So yeah, I would get in right here as this, sorry, right over here as it broke here, and then my stop loss would be above this high, which is still being respected. And I'd be looking to take about 10 pips. So you'd be going to around to this. Yeah, that'd be my take profit. That'd be my analysis on UJ specifically. But again, there's news, so I'm not looking to open these trades. As well as, like, when that happens, usually you're expecting like all candles to remain like bearish, but this one printed bullish, so it ended this idea. Like you would close your trade right here. This candle closed bearish, so there wasn't that trade anymore. Yeah, see, it's not doing anything. Um, Unfortunate, but yeah, today might be a no trade day. I might call it early at 8:30. I might call it early. You know, well, I mean, that's when the news is coming in. I kind of want to watch the news. We'll see. But yeah, definitely one of the biggest things I'm going to be doing is watching more videos for sure. This exact same thing happened right here. So price broke above, right? 25 pips. So this is the same thing, 25 pips. Came down, created some level of support, came up, kind of like another fake out, second fake out, and then just shot down. So I'm not taking the initial sell. I mean, if I did, I mean, it probably would work better, but it's Friday, less momentum. I mean, I'm not trying to be a hero on today's date. I mean, realistically, yeah, it's the same thing. So extreme patience, extreme patience, extreme patience. I mean, the way that this is closing, it looks like this is a doji just closed in the opposite direction. If it wicks up, then maybe a sell can be open. Maybe a sell can be open, like right here, as it creates that wick and then starts to print below. And then I'm looking at like take profit like right here, like at like 10 pips, let's say hypothetically. Yeah, like 10, 12 pips. So that's something that might pan out. Like it might come, maybe shoot down a little bit, come up, create a candle, and then come down before 8:30, and then I'll be done for the day. That's a possibility. That's a possibility. But right now, I just don't want to trade anything. So we will see. I'll be right back. Oh, this is a setup I've seen before. I've seen this. I think it's gonna come up, come back down, create a bottom wick here, and then continue to break this high and break this high. And then my take profit would be somewhere along the lines of here. So this would be my take profit. And this range is 11 pips. Oh, this is nice. This is so nice. I only don't want to take it simply because the news that's coming out later. That's simply it. So it's going to create that wick like I was saying. A buy can be open right here, and then it would just push up, push up. So first it's going to come down, create a wick similar to this one, and then push up. So I'd be looking to take a buy right here. Um, I'll be right back. You see, I would open this as a buy. However, I know that it will be short-lived. Like, it will go up like today, only maybe like 5 pips. I would rather wait till like NFP. I'd rather wait. So no trade there. I mean, this trade specifically, I think will still pan out, whereby like it'll come up and then shoot down. But I'm still not looking to trade it. Yeah, right now I'm just waiting, just completely waiting. Yeah, this is the setup I was talking about. Like it leaves a wick and then it comes back down to like break lows. I'm gonna enter. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Uh, I'm going to sit on my hands and wait for NFP. It comes in about an hour and 15 minutes. I'm gonna simply just wait. I'm gonna wait. That's the best thing. Yeah, man, I'm not trading. I'm not trading nothing right now. I'm waiting for the NFP. Waiting for a big move. Man, with GU, it usually moves so much faster. Like right now, if you check, it's moving so slow. It's like moving here, like slow. But usually it moves like fast. Like if you see these moves right here, bro. Oh my gosh, look at these. Compared to the, are you, come on? These are literally like each one has like 20 pips in them. Each one like 20 pips, 20 pips. 20 pips. Where are these? 30 pips. I need those today. I need those today, man. Yeah, I mean, just waiting here. Not really doing much, just sitting on my hands waiting. But yeah, I need those days. I need those days today, man. Yeah, so today's kind of a wait day. I'm gonna be back in like 30 minutes probably. I'll be like 30 minutes. I'll be back. see. Mm. Right now we are just ranging. Here it looks like it's trying to go to the upside. But man, I don't want to take any trades. I'm just waiting. Let me assess the news. They're expecting more drop. You can't really go based on what they're expecting. You have to assess the market as a whole. Last month was 266, it was low. They're expecting it to be higher. They're expecting. I'm gonna have to go with some buy stops and sell stops here. Let's see where. Man, this this is choppy. Look, price came down. Price created some form of like, let's say like some half support right here. If you went on the 15th, probably a way bigger support. So support right here was created, right? Support. price came off of support and now it's rejecting this area. Like we're in mini zones, mini bubbles here. Watch, price came out, broke here, gave you about 2, 3 pips here, and then came right back into this bubble and ranging. And this is what price does. And like before, I'm not saying that there's no trades in this area before news. That's not what I'm saying. It's more so that it's way harder at times. Um, most times, like 80% of the time, you'll get like 20% of the time like I set up prior to, and you have to come at 6, 5 a.m. Look at this move right here. Oh man, 50 man, man. Look at this. The setup was perfect. Support at resist. Oh my. Support created right here. Boom. Highs being broken. Boom. Even doing impulse right here. Oh my gosh. This leg up is so nice. Just so nice. Oh, so nice. So now kind of see, it's always good to assess the higher time frames as well, so you can see where price is going as an overall. Like, but at the same time, I'll be right back. I would look towards getting in this trade if it retraced, if it did some form of a retracement. Um, just sticking to my trading plan here. So if on any time frame it did a retrace, like let's say if the next 5 minute came down and retraced, I would take a buy at that point. But right now it's just I know that this is just a move before news comes in. Or no, 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 not doing that at all. Um, I know that this is just a move before news comes in, and I still want to set it up strategically. Let's see. Ooh, it's pushing. Yeah, I'm waiting still, just waiting on my hands here. Before news, that'd be so nice, man. I don't really want to play with news. News is so. I would rather avoid news. It's actually in my trading plan to avoid news. I would rather avoid news, to be honest. So if this next 5 minute retraces, so if the next one prints and retraces as though it's gonna leave a candle, I'm gonna take buys, anticipating with anticipation that it's gonna come up before news. So this can, the more it does is better because then I'm anticipating it's gonna come down. This so far has been like 6 pips. I'm anticipating it to come down, create some form of a wick, and then come back up. So that's what we're gonna try to see happen. Man, USD JPY so nice, but it moves so slow. It moves so slow. Like this is like 2 pips. This is like 8 pip, 3 pips. Okay, it's like 4 pips. That's kind of nice actually. So same thing kind of on UJ2. I'd want it to do like some form of a retracement, like that it's doing right now, and then I would get in. So this 5 minute, for me to get in this trade, I would want some kind of a retrace. I wouldn't want to buy this because I don't know exactly what's going to happen, and it's not in my trading plan. I feel like sticking to the trading plan is so vital. So this went up 3 pips, right? I still have no idea what's going to happen. It can pop up another 9, or it could just fall, right? So I'm anticipating that's going to fall. I think this, I've seen this happen a lot. So prior to the move, like you'll get like a huge push. Like so far, this is almost 10 pips. Like I would have been done for the day. But I don't want to trade this because, I want to stay disciplined. Stay disciplined, stick to my trading plan. It's a really great trade though. Ooh, USDJPY? Oh gosh. Okay. Oh gosh. And it's still dumping. Oh, this trade would have been nice. Still not taking anything, sticking to my trading plan, sticking disciplined. Ooh, yeah, currency strength meter. Oh, that is crazy. No wonder this was a good buy. It's a good buy on all cylinders. I'm just not looking. Oh, it's retracing. Okay, there's a possibility that it might retrace, and if it retraces, then I'm looking to get in. If it retraces and creates some form of a bottom wick, I'm getting in at the buy. Here though, so you can even say I'll even put the boom. So I didn't open this trade yet, but if it came down to there, I want it to. I'm just waiting. Honestly, just waiting. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, yo, man. Okay, okay. What are you doing? Yeah. See, this is why I didn't want to take a buy here on this candle, because then, like, now I'm playing in this. Like, I don't want to play in this. I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling, man. This is comfy. And just waking up, looking at the charts, man, and just chilling and relaxing, waking up early, just comfy. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. Monday to Friday. But no, realistically, I want to start being able to wake up at like, 5:30, 6, comfortable times. I'll be right back. Right here would have been the retrace, where now this is the opportunity to enter into the trade. Then again, I personally wouldn't. I'm personally not, because I just cannot accurately depict where price is heading right now, you know, based on where candles are forming. So I am hands out of this trade. I am. Look at the. Oh man, look at this. Okay, this is a good sell in my opinion. This right here is a good sell in my opinion. I mean, I would be open to take this sell. I mean, I'm just not, because again, I cannot accurately depict where price is going. It might even just wick up to take me out of the trade and then hugely wick down, right? So I'm waiting patiently. It might even be coming down to the point where I'm not even going to take a trade today. That's what it might come down to. So right now I am just simply waiting, 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 waiting. I'm in the waiting game. In the game of waiting. Get back. Yeah, see, this would have been a really nice trade. Oh, I'm kind of upset that I didn't get in this. It's okay though. Like I think sticking to my trading plan will help me be successful, and I think today might very well be a no trade day, which is okay with me. Um, I want my confidence to be high. You know, I want my confidence to be high. That's the number one thing. So like confidence sometimes stems from, like lack of FOMO. Like lack of FOMO is such a big thing. Like if you're missing out, because essentially like we're on a everyday basis we see people on social media taking successful trades and making big profits on their big accounts, and we see all this propaganda and maybe not even propaganda, but we see like all this fame struck and stuff, like people with nice stuff on social media and stuff like that, right? So when it comes to like where I want my ego to be and lack of FOMO and confidence, I want it to be like I want it to look like I want it to look like this, like that, not like this. I want it to like look like it's gonna break a top, like just to break it down to you. But no, I want it continuously going up, going up. So that's all I mean to say. That's just me personally. I'm not in any trades yet. I don't know if I'm gonna trade today, but we will see. Brand new 15 minute. We don't know what price is gonna do. I don't actually watch price on the 5 and 15 minutes. I watch price on the 15 minutes. I mean, yeah, and we're 15 minutes away from news. This would have been a nice trade though. This trade right here, oh, I have to like map out for future purposes what happened here exactly, so that when I come to like an NFP day again in the future, wait until NFP 8:30, haven't taken any trades, then I know exactly how to like get in this trade because this was a nice trade. Man, even this trade was nice. This trade was very nice. Like, look, you could have got in at the break, anticipating. Oh, wait, nope. I thought this trade was nicer. Never mind. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm just chilling, not really doing much, just having fun. You know, We're just chilling. No fingers on the sell or buy button. Just chilling, just chilling on a Friday, starting my day early, getting them reps in. But yeah, one of the biggest things is that's gonna help me is really just going back and watching a lot of video, and just getting my skill level and my confidence up. I think that's what's gonna be really huge. That's the next big step in my trading career. As well as just finding that rhythm. Just finding what works. You know, whether it's biweekly deposits. Um, you know, I feel like when my account gets to a certain point, I won't have to deposit whatsoever, as well as I'll be doing regular withdrawals, right? So I want to get to that point. And when I say regular withdrawals, when I start, it's gonna be like, when I want to withdraw, it'll be like withdraw maybe like $50 USD to pay off my phone bill for the month, that kind of thing. So if I can pay off my phone bill, that'll be huge. Um, as a starter point, right? And then I'll start to add stuff to that list. Right, so I'll start my phone bill, then it will like go on to like maybe like like some of my school debt, right? So I'll pay 100 more of my school debt, like just put more money in my pocket, right? So that right there is 50 and $100, $150 per month. And at that point, I'm not anticipating myself to be depositing, right? I can be. At the same time, you kind of want to be regularly depositing, like sticking to the same habits you're building from the beginning until the point where you don't have to. So let's say if I was making $250 a month, I wouldn't have to deposit because I would be making that profit on top. So I'd be with the profit depositing 100, building my account up. And then I've heard before that you want to like start to like withdraw out of your account. Otherwise, like it's pointless. Like, right? You're just trading for no reason. You're gonna like end up just stressing yourself and quitting. So I don't want that for myself. I want to start doing regular withdrawals. Paying off this, paying off that, and eventually getting to withdrawals of like a month, $1,000, $2,000, and so on. Right? So That's where my head's at. And in the future, I want to be able to take out one time $20,000, you know? But you have to be like optimistic. Um, and it really stems down to that social media aspect I was referring to as well. Um, whereby like like the world is so caught up in this social media fad that we're not willing to slow down, give ourselves 3 to 6 months to get really good at something, and then put it actually into like a live fruition of like an account of $2,000. Like me personally, I'm willing to do that. I'm willing to because I want to be able to get to the point where I'm taking out like 20,000, you know, like $60,000 in one withdrawal, paying off trips. Be right back. All right. So we got 10 more minutes till NFP, till the news comes out, and let's see what can be set up. All right. All right. So I wonder what will happen. Yeah, see, this is kind of like the what I was referring to. If you were getting in right here, like as it broke and you took it, you would have got 15 pips, which your day is done. 15 pips is good. Like even 13 to anything like 10, anything 8 or above, you're good. You know, you take partials, let something run, take the remainder at 15. Like that's kind of where my head's at, right? Like 8 to 15, take profit, let a runner run, like that kind of thing, right? So when you get out of this zone though, and you don't take the trade, and I've done this before. Now you're taking a trade here, let's say hypothetically, and you get commission right here 1.5. So then when you get to the top here, right, you're at 5 pips. You've taken like 5 pips, right? So that's why it's a lot harder and psychologically like more straining to like look towards taking a trade here. It's psychologically straining. So to be honest with you, what I think is going to happen is that price is going to shoot down, um, not even create the level of support, and then just spike up till around this take profit, right? So that's what we're looking for here, and this take profit is, let me see here, about 12, 13 pips. So that's what we're waiting on. So we are about 7 minutes away from news here. We are just waiting, not doing anything, waiting idly. Nothing is happening as of yet. However, again, my bias is, I mean, sometimes the market wants to do this to you though. It wants to like pretend like it's gonna go this way and give you like a, hey, I'm not gonna go that way. I'm gonna go this way. You know, like a fake out. Like so. I really, I really might not trade today. I really might. Yeah, so no, today is just a day for me. I mean, it's Friday. I mean, I'm not gonna do any Hail Marys. If a trade comes, a trade comes. At the end of the day, though, I have goals in mind for next week, right? And I think we're gonna try to execute on those goals next week. One of the things that I'm gonna be doing this week is definitely live trading tomorrow morning, early, very early, same time probably, very early. And yeah, we're just going to continue to drive results and try to grow each and every single day and improve. That is the number one thing that I can envision myself doing on a day-to-day basis. Is take profit going to be hit before news? No, no, no. Probably impossible. But I think, with the next 30-minute candle, we're going to get a huge slip and then a huge push. So if it slips, what if it just wants to dump though? You see, you can't be indecisive like that. You have to make a decision and say, price is going to do this. It's creating like a ladder. Last time when we had NFP, it bought like a lot. So we'll say that's the first profit. If I'm leaving a runner, the runner will get left to here. Um, so this is the first take profit. This is the super take profit. We'll call this the super take profit. That's you know what? Here's what I'll do. I'll just keep it simple. I'll just keep it simple. If it breaks above here, we're more than likely going over here. But if we start to sell, yeah, we're probably gonna go over here. Probably gonna go to this area right here. More than likely. Yo, we have like four minutes left, gang. 4 minutes left, gang. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what will happen. We have 3 minutes left. We are. Price is gonna move so fast. So. All right, let's see what's gonna happen, man. We don't wanna rush anything here, but we will see. I think it's gonna have to be a buy stop or a sell stop here. Still deciding which one. If I haven't decided by the next 2 minutes, I'm not gonna place one. I'm thinking it's gonna be the buy. That's what I'm gonna bank on. Here's what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set up my hands. I'm gonna demo trade, and I will make note on what happens. So then again, man, if it goes slow enough for me to get a setup in, I just don't want to see like a super quick one, and then I take it, and then it goes in the opposite direction. That's what I don't want, right? So I need to just wait. I'm still sticking to my trading plan. In these cases, before news comes, in these cases, whenever it is that you take like this impulse move and it goes up to 15 minutes, you want to take out like 90%. You want to take out like 90% at 10 pips of your trade. So you leave like a runner or take out the whole trade. Doesn't matter because this is inevitable. This retrace before the news, inevitable. Like that's why I wouldn't take a trade here either because when you take a trade here, then you're playing in this ballpark of like 5 pips. And then what if it retraces? Now you're already down like 8 pips. Look at that. Look at that buy. Look at that buy. Oh, look at that crazy buy. Man, I'm not in any trades right now. I'm not taking anything. Look at that buy. Oh, it's gonna hit the super take profit. It's gonna hit the super take profit. Oh, oh yes, it's gonna definitely hit that super take profit. I'm just not taking anything. If it retraces possibly. Oh, there's a retrace. There's the retrace. There's the retrace. Oh, not much of a retrace though. I mean, not much of a retrace at all. Was it enough of a retrace for me? I think so. Hello? Hello? Boy, is it gonna hit the super take profit? That is the question. I think so. I just cannot bet it. I just cannot guarantee it. We're waiting. This happened in 1 minute. Man, if I had placed that buy stop, ooh, I'd be up like 30 pips right now. That would be crazy. Man, I think there's enough momentum right now to hit the ultimate take profit, which is 30 pips up. I think so. We'll see. Let's see what's gonna happen. So this is the first take profit area that was hit. We're waiting. We're waiting. Oh, okay. Okay. We're pushing up. We're pushing up. And let's see. Are we gonna hit that ultimate take profit? I think so. This candle already was so much. Nah, because this candle was so much already, I don't think we're gonna get there. I think it's gonna take us another candle to do so. Like I think generally speaking, we should be able to get to this point. But at the same time, it's already been 40 pips on top of that in the morning. There was already this. Yeah, no, I think this is gonna be short-lived. Yeah, yeah, I didn't want this trade anymore. I thought it was gonna be short-lived. Well, that's that. Took my one trade of the day, closed at break even. Did not want to be in that trade anymore. Now I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the day, and that's about it actually. Yeah, so that was fun. Whoa, UJ dumped. Oh my gosh, was it like 20 pips? Wait, 30 pips? Oh man. Yeah, see? Oh no 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 no. Yeah, I'm not trading anything right here. I'm done for the day. I've called it. I don't trade in this. This happened last NFP too. It's so important to stick to your trading plan. Like if I took a sell here, like I mean like yeah, I'm up 10 pips, but I don't want to take a sell here. So that's another story. Like that's a whole other conversation, I swear. Don't take the opposite trade. Do not in anticipation. Because if it just plummets, man, you're gonna I mean it's, when you just look at Friday like an NFP day, like you just look at it to have fun and that's it. Like and then you call it a day. Yeah, man. I'm just chilling. I've I lost commission, which is like $1. I lost literally $1 commission. That was it. I closed at break even. That's what happens when you close at break even. I'm sitting on my hands doing nothing. I'm just chilling. It's exciting to watch this, man. We broke it down, potential sells below. Man, there's like 100 people that are trading NFP, right? And there's like 50, like 90 people that are on like blew their accounts or something like that, right? So that's the thing, like when you're trading, if you're trading NFP to like get your account back or like make your money back for the week, like that's not your trading plan, you know? That's not a good trading plan at all. Like if you lose money during the week, like you lost money during the week, like I lost money during the week, but it doesn't mean like I'm gonna like give up or like not stick to my trading plan. I'm going to stick to my trading plan so that when other people are losing, like I'm making money. So right now I'm still in those development stages where I'm just building and learning the markets and learning what to do and what not to do. Like for instance, if 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 you had been like taking buys like right here, man, imagine you took a dollar size right here, man. That's literally um at, like $700. Man, $700? Like that takes people a week at a job. And you would have made this in like an hour and a half, 3 hours, like 3 hours to make what people make in a week. And that's like the difference between like people work a job and like making money in Forex. Like it's a huge difference. And I want to be on the latter, the first one, sorry, where you make money comfortably in trading. But in order to do so, you have to have a trading plan and stick to that trading plan, and don't differ from your trading plan. And like when you see that stuff I was mentioning, like the social media stuff and all this stuff where people are living lavish, like don't get caught up in that at all, at all, at all, at all. Because if you get caught up in that, it's gonna be like you're gonna like differ from your trading plan. You're gonna get caught up in like different ways to trade. Stick with what you do comfortably, and you'll definitely just win most of the time. Learn to cut your losses small, and you'll win like the same amount of wins, but like when you get your losses like will be much smaller. You know, so I'm gonna head out early. Oh, that looks so much cleaner. I'm gonna head out early. Call it a day. Take care. Take care. I'm gonna start my day early today. NFP was nice, and I'm gonna definitely be taking notes about what happened and looking to execute on the following NFP because I was calling this buy as it happened. That there was gonna be some level of retrace, and then it was gonna shoot up, like I literally said it was gonna happen, and that's exactly what happened. It came up, came down, and shot right up. So that's what I'm gonna be looking to execute on the in the future, like placing like a buy stop like right here, and then 20 pip take profit, so right here, and then I'm done. Is that 20 pips or is that 30? It's probably like yeah, that's like 30 even. Like it's way more. Like you can like 10 to 20, but realistically, even what you can do is during an NFP day, you want to get like 10, maybe 15, and then leave a runner, right? So that's what I'm gonna be looking for in the future. Um, But at the end of the day, yeah, stuck to my trading plan. I protected my capital. I improved, and that's the number one thing in my mind is just an improvement on a day-to-day basis. And tomorrow I'm going to be simulating trading. And yeah, we're definitely just going to look towards building skill tomorrow as well. All right, take care, take care. I'm going to head out. Have a great day.